Are you a fan of Iron Maiden? I got something for you, man. I got this the other day. It came in the other day. It's not available on TikTok. At least I don't think it is. Maybe I shouldn't talk for TikTok. But it's just something that I think is cool and I want to show off. I mean, I already know what this is. So it's really just about showing off to you. Oh, wow, okay. It has something that I did not realize was coming with it. But first, let's do this thing right here. This is what I knew I was getting. Oh, Nike. I gotta do a camera angle for this. I did not expect that. Check this out. Wow. It's Eddie. The box is like a poster, man. This cool or what? I did not expect that. This is something you put up in your man cave. That is pretty freaking sweet. Trooper. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, definitely when I get my new place, I am going to put that in my man cave, man. So, but this is the thing. This is what I knew I was getting. Check this out. It's a little mini keg to make a beer in from a company called Pinter. I did not expect the box to be like that. I also did not expect this. I didn't realize that I was going to get a Trooper glass. Check this out. That is sweet. Did not expect this. And did not expect the Eddie cardboard poster, man. That's pretty sweet. That is, wow. I did not expect that. Did not expect that at all. I'm not, oh, here, this is the lever for the little keg. And this, I guess this is part of the keg to make the beer in. But anyway, I mean, that is pretty sweet. I like that. I like this. I like this. This did not expect this. Oops. This is freaking cool. I like this. I really do. I'm gonna hang that up somewhere. So the first beer I'm gonna try to make through this thing is, of course, Trooper beer. It's only got 4.7% alcohol. For aromas, it says malty and citrusy. So let's see. See if it's got the instructions. So it's got the mix. So I guess I gotta clean my thing before using. And then this is the yeast. All right, so I mixed the ingredients and water. This is called the, what do they call it? Oh no, this is fresh press. Fresh press. It's a little, I thought it would be powder, but it's more like a syrup. I don't know if you can see that sticky stuff. Is pretty sticky. I think there's still some in there, so I'm guessing that every time you make a beer, it might taste slightly different, just because you're not always going to use the exact same amount of press because of some of it that sticks in there. This one did not come with hops, so I guess you don't need hops for this British beer. It's British, made by Iron Maiden. So now we have it here in this thing brewing. I'll leave it here for, it says to leave it here for 7 days, so for a week. And then after that week, I'm supposed to put it in the fridge and wait, I believe it's at least 5 days. So it'll be a while before I get to enjoy the beer. But that's okay because I don't drink as much as I used to, but I just want to try this out. I think it'd be fun. And I guess I'll do a beer tasting video in about 2 weeks maybe. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching.